In today's video, we're going to be going over some substitutions that you can use in place of eggs when you're baking. We're trying to do everything we can do right now in the kitchen to save money. Groceries are high, prices are going up, and our paychecks are not. So come on, and I'm going to show you a few ideas you might like. If you're baking a cake and it calls for 2 eggs, use 2 tablespoons of oats to 2 tablespoons of boiling water. Let it set 15 minutes. Put it in your cake mix, brownie mix, muffin mix, whatever you're cooking, in place of the golden egg. Okay, the next items that you can use in place of the golden egg in your baking products is 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And it shows you on there is for bacon. So 1 tablespoon of baking soda mixed with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. You take your little dish, you mix both of those together, set it to the side while you're getting all your other ingredients ready in your dish. Once it sits there and you have it mixed up and it's dissolved good, you take that and put that in your bacon, whatever you're baking. And that'll equal your 1 egg. Or if you need up to 3 eggs, just add like 2 tablespoons and make you a little bit more for that recipe. If it's 3 eggs, make like 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And that'll do the same as using the golden egg. And the next item we're going to talk about is unsweetened applesauce. It will replace your egg. You use 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce in place of eggs and any kind of baking products, and it will work. A lot of people on Weight Watchers does this too. They use applesauce in place of the egg and the oil. But this will work for your egg replacement also. Okay, y'all, the next one is cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it together like a slurry. Put it in your baking products just like you would an egg. And this is one that your great-granny used to use a lot in their baking, I bet you, because this is one of the oldest ones. But anyway, this is a good one for replacing the eggs. The next one, I don't have any right now, are bananas. You can use 1/4 cup of mashed up bananas in place of eggs and baking products. That's a good one to remember too. And it even makes your cakes and your brownies moist because you've got the bananas that's got all the sugar, a little bit of extra sugar in it too, and it makes it even a little bit sweeter. Next thing you can use, I don't have right now, is flaxseed. You can use 3 tablespoons of flaxseed to 3 tablespoons of hot water. Together, let them sit there, and it'll form like a paste almost. And then you put it in your baking products, and you can use that in place of eggs. Y'all, the next item that you can replace eggs in baking products, sweet or savory, is Duke's mayonnaise or any kind of mayonnaise. Use 1 tablespoon for each egg it calls for in your baking products. Okay, y'all, and the next product you can use in place of eggs and baking goods is black beans. Black beans is a good filler for bacon, and it gives you some extra protein. So you could use 1/4 cup of this in your savory dishes or your sweet dishes in place of the egg. Okay, y'all, this is how I would do it if I was baking something sweet. I would go with the applesauce or either the banana to give it a little bit more sweetness. And if I was doing cornbread or hush puppies or something like that that's more savory, I think I would go with the baking soda and the vinegar. Or if you don't have that, if you're out of that, go with the cornstarch and the water in place of eggs and cornbread. So I hope y'all give this a try. And if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, or if any of these ideas help you replacing your eggs in your bacon dishes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow our channel, and every subscriber helps. Thanks for watching. Y'all always remember, a family that eats together stays together. Fun, food, and family. That's what it's all about. And that's all the ingredients that I've thought of so far that can replace eggs. I hope this video helps y'all and helps you save some money right now with the price of eggs as high as they are. They keep going up and up. I don't know if the prices of groceries keep going up and our paychecks are not going up. If y'all have any ideas for any other egg substitutions, comment them down below. And I hope this video helps y'all do some baking and cooking for your family in the months to come that might help you save money. And like always, Travis and myself want to say thank you for watching our channel.